Hey guys, Uli with Grades Hardwoods here at Ambassador Presbyterian Church. So this is all the LVT install in the foyer and the office. We'll do the office rooms, carpet tile, Monday. This hallway is all done. This is all done. Very nice LVT here. You have to caulk a little bit, some areas. This was pretty nasty VCT back here. Yeah. So let's head through the sanctuary where we installed the classrooms with this carpet tile here. We installed the sanctuary with this carpet tile. Let me turn on the light. Yeah, very nice pattern. And so here we haven't finished the VCT on this side. We're right here. So carpet tile goes in here. That will be Tuesday. We did here. It's the other side of the foyer. We'll do carpet tile here, 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 and here. That will be all on Tuesday next week. Monday will be the office, Tuesday will be the classrooms. All right, guys, Grades Hardwoods is the place.